Hello, this is Rachel, the Pacific Country Director, now currently in wonderful Indonesia, but soon heading towards the Pacific to join our newest region, our talented Pacific team. So, see you soon.
Serving audience from mountains of top Himalayas to the Pacific beaches. It has been incredible journey working with BBC Media Action.
Bula Vinaka, my name is Lucia Langilevo. I'm thrilled to be part of an organization that has over the years helped many journalists and media stakeholders build their capacities and protect media freedom.
Hello Olgeta, I'm Rayleigh and I'm proud to be representing BBC Media Action in Papua New Guinea for the